Because Rome is in the Quran. غُلِبَتِ الرُّومُ. And there are no two opinions on the subject. That Rome in the Quran is the Byzantine Christian empire that was based in Constantinople, not the one based in Rome in Italy. No, not the Western European Christianity that has the Anglo-American alliance and has given us NATO. Not that one, not that one, not that one. You will make an alliance with Rome, meaning this one, these Christians. When Muslims conquered Constantinople, then the patriarch, who was like the Pope of this part of the Christian world, he announced that the headquarters are now transferred to Russia.